Welcome to the world of scientific calculations, where numbers come alive and equations unfold. Today, we from Polytechnic Melaka will show you how to use a scientific calculator. So, what are some basic functions in a scientific calculator? The first function will be arithmetic functions. The calculator allows you to perform basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The second function of a scientific calculator is the trigonometric function. The trigonometric function enables you to work with angles and triangles. They include sine, cosine and tangent, as well as their inverse function, arcsine, arccosine and arctangent. Trigonometric functions are crucial for geometry, physics and engineering applications. The third function of a scientific calculator is the exponential and the logarithmic functions. The exponential functions e to the power of x and the logarithmic functions log are powerful tools for working with numbers that involve exponential growth or decay. The exponential functions calculate the value of e raised to the power of a given number. The logarithmic functions allow you to find the power to the which a base must be raised to obtain a given number. Function on a scientific calculator is the calculus function. For more advanced mathematical operations, scientific calculators provide calculus functions. This includes differentiation and integration. Now I'll be showing how to perform basic mathematical operations on a calculator using the topic matrices. For now, the data A is 2397 and data B is 5180. So for the first step, we will click mode and select number 6 for matrix equations, and we will select number 1 because we have to select data A. So we click number 1, and since our equation is 2 by 2, we will select number 5, and now we have to fill in the matrix A data, which is 2, 3, 9 and 7. For step 2, we have to fill in matrix B data, which we have to click shift 4 to open the matrix menu, click number 2 for data and select matrix B number 2, and now we click 2 by 2, which is number 5, and fill in matrix B data, which is 5, 1, 8 and 0. So for the second part, we have to press the AC button to save the data. The third step, which will be press button shift and number 4 to open the matrix menu. The fourth step will be select the data A and B and solve it using the preferred operation. To save the data A and B, you have to click the AC button. For the second step, we have to click shift and number 4 to open the matrix menu, and we have to click number 3 to select the data matrix A, and now we can insert the operation that we want to perform. I will click multiplication, and we have to click shift and the number 4 again to select the data of matrix B, which is number 4. So we click number 4, and now we can hit equal to get the answer. So this is the simple way to perform matrix equations on a calculator.